Good job. Yeah, Hermy. Good girl. You're not sure about that? I know. Big noisy. This is definitely not as quiet as a Roomba. Okay, excuse me. Here you go, Hermy. Good girl. Oh, Hermy, it's okay. Here you go. Here's a treat. Good girl. Good girl. It's gonna eat your other treat if you don't hurry. Uh-oh. Oh no? Oh no! Wasn't that nice of it, Hermy? It didn't eat your treat. It didn't steal your treat. Here's another treat. Good girl. Myrtle's a little less sure about it. You want another treat, Myrtle? No. Big scary. You're not too concerned. Neither are you. You're doing pretty well, Myrtle. I'm proud of you. Let's see. Want this treat? We're gonna go over there. Uh-oh. You missed it, Hermy. 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 Treat. Go get that treat. No, you're done. Alright.